All right. Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching this video. It's the first one in a series of kind of different stuff that I want to try. So, my name is Paris. I'm one of the co-founders of that company called SourceLair, which provides an online IDE. So, it's actually a development environment that works for a web application that works in the browser. So you don't have to install anything to develop your Python applications, your Node.js web application, and show them to your team, your clients, and all the stuff. So the thing is that despite we build SourceLair for ourselves, it doesn't always do what I wanted to do. So at this time, I want to work on a new project. I have a new idea, and this project is a web application, an API actually, that can interact with Git. So because I'm writing Python mainly for web applications, I hope I can use Pygit2, which is the Python library with bindings to manipulate Git using pure Python code. So the thing is that I cannot install this in SourceLair. I know it. I have tried it in the past, and I want to hack my own project. I want to hack SourceLair, actually my own product, so as to make it do what I want it to do. So what you're gonna see here is me. I'm gonna give myself about half an hour max tops, so I can hack into my own product, exploit the things that I know about it, and get it to work for me and do whatever I hope it can do. So what I want to do now is install Pygit2 in my SourceLair project and get it working. So let's get it started. First of all, let's make sure that it still does work. So I'm going to use pipenv install Pygit2. And yep, as expected, this didn't work because we got some this error. The compilation of Pygit2 didn't work because it couldn't find the Git2 shared library. So the thing is, I know that Pygit2 is mainly built as a C extension to Python, so it needs to run C in order to install libgit2 and all the stuff. And I think it has to compile libgit2 as well, or not. Anyway, so let's go. I have searched a bit about this, so let's see. As you can see, I've already done a bit of research before running this video, but okay. So I know that in SourceLair all Python projects are actually running inside a virtual env. For those that are not familiar with virtual envs is a tool that Python provides, so you can have different Python dependencies for each project and not having them installed system-wide to avoid conflicts, and not having to use root access to install Python libraries. And this is the main use case that we have integrated virtual envs in SourceLair. This is completely transparent to the user. The user does not interact with a virtual env in any way, but I know we have built it this way, so I know the virtual env environment variable available here is present actually in the project. So let's see. So instead, I'm going to export this. Let's go back here. Okay. I have to push the screen behind a little bit. Okay. So let's. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna install both libgit2 and Pygit2 within the virtual environment that my Python project and SourceLair is running. And it says that this is useful when you don't have root access, which I know I don't have on SourceLair. So let's see how this is gonna work. So I export echo libgit2. Okay. So every time I'm adding a new environment variable, I'm gonna add it in a .env file so I can keep track of it. I also know that SourceLair will automatically populate variables in my .env file. So let's do that. Okay. Next, install libgit2. So let's copy that. So actually, instead of doing that, I'm going to put this in a script, because I'm going to add a new file here. So libgit2.sh, and I prefer using bash. And I want to eradicate also I want this to run sequentially and only if everything succeeds. So I'm adding a bit of flags here, and I want to remove these prefixes here. They're totally useless. Okay. Oops. Okay. So let's run this. Bash bin it says cmake command not found. So in order to install libgit, I have to have cmake installed. Okay, now let's clean this place a bit. And let's install cmake. I know that cmake is available, I think, as a PyPy package. I searched about it the other day. I think no. There it is. Okay, so all I have to do is install cmake. Let's go back here. pipenv install dev cmake, because I need this for my development purposes. I also don't want to commit libgit2 accidentally into this Git repository. Not that I'm going to publish this repository, but I always feel safe ignoring shit like that. Okay. Looks like it's taking some time. pipenv here. It worked. Do I have cmake? Yep, I do. So now I'm gonna try install libgit2 again. It's working. What? Man. I think it's working. This is crazy. Oh, fuck. Okay, let's be a little bit patient here. Okay, come on. Damn. Okay, seems like this worked. It was too painless, to be honest. Okay, let's close this tab. We don't need it now. And next, okay, so this run all these commands. So now what I do have to do is export this. So let's see the variable of that. Echo the value of that variable. Let's copy it and put it in my data file. Okay. Let's close this. Let's close this. And let's install Pygit2. What the hell? Did it get installed? Not was it? Okay, let's see. Now, what I did, actually, I want to install it with pipen, so I'm going to run this again. I don't need this tar file right now, so I'm going to delete it. Okay, so it seems like it got installed. That was too painless. So let's install IPython as well, because I want to try it and I want to use the autocomplete thing to make it faster for me. So it's pipen install -- dev IPython. All right. Okay, now what I want to do is import Pygit2 and confirm that this thing is working. So let's go and see how we can make a commit here. So I think I have to initiate not the repository class. So okay, so import Pygit2 repo equals, actually import OS and repo equals Pygit2.repo and repository, and the path is the current working directory, I guess. Yep. So I want to make a commit here. I can't. Okay. How can I commit something with Pygit? I'm not too familiar with it. Creating commits. There we go. So, come on. What is that thing here? Sorry, let me remove the highlighting because it really drives me nuts here. Okay. So, signature. Author. So author equals Pygit2.signature. What is it? Okay, so here my name. Come on. Okay. Committer. Okay, I got the dictation right. It's the same thing for me. Tree. Okay. Let's copy and paste that. And repo create commit. the master branch, author committer. Are you going to work? This is my commit message, apparently. What else? The tree. List of binary strings representing parents of the new commit. No, fuck that. And what was it? And let's add this to a variable. Failed to create commit current tip is not the first parent. I think I can. Is this peak? No, I think it's that. No. Should I have to use that? Anyway. Repo head. Nah, let's try this. Create commit parents. What is parents? I didn't even read the documentation here. Come on. Show me something. Show me something, please. List of binary strings representing parents of the new commit. References. The head. Okay, repo.head. Dot name peel come on. Parent. There we go. I think that is we should use. Please work. Did it work? No. Anyway, let's leave that. I think we're okay. First working version. And now let's try something else. Let's create a new branch. Create branch. Let's search the documentation for something. Okay, there we go. Let's remove the highlighting, which is driving me nuts again. So, current commit equals repo.head.peel that ID. No, that. So, repo branches. Create. Please work. Current commit. Oh my god. Damn, it worked. Fuck. Okay, so that was it. I got it working. I got Pygit2 working on SourceLair. That was actually quite faster than I expected. I really wanted this to be a bit more interesting, but I hope I'm gonna do another video soon. So the next thing that I want to do with that is find a way to package this thing and distribute it as a wheel at PyPy. So I gotta see how this is gonna work. I guess I have to compile libgit and somehow distribute the shared libraries in a PyPy package. Anyway, I'm gonna find that. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope it helped you understand how I try to find my workarounds with SourceLair and help you do the same. If you have any questions or feedback or want you me to try something for you, just share a comment in the video or reach out at Twitter at ParisCassid. So that was it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.